Hello. Come on, come downstairs. Come on. You can do it. It's not very hard. Hello. Oh, you're so cute. Come on, come downstairs. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get down here. Come here. Bella. Hey. Okay, come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Bella. Are you stuck? You are stuck, puppy dog. Oh. So you can run upstairs, but you won't come down. You're so cute. Hello. Hello. Okay.
It's okay. It's okay, little puppy dog.
Oh, she wants to grab your sleeve. She's like, somebody play with me. You got her. Good job. What's your puppy's name?
Bella.
Bella. Oh, so cute. Oh, there she goes.
Don't think it. Let's see what's under here. Christmas tree. There, presents.
Oh, nothing there yet. She wants to play with you. Oh, die gentle. Hello.
What does it say?
What does what say?
Can you read it?
Such good dancing, Ty. Oh, doing some break dancing too. Woohoo! Oh, you're not done yet. Keep going. Oh, tired? Oh. Hello. Oh, I'm gone. Such good dancing. Where are your arms, Ty? There they are.
Okay. I'm done.
Okay. What are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do now, Ty?
I'm doing this.
Are you doing that? And what's that supposed to be?
A sad dance. And this is a happy dance. This is a sad dance.
That's a sad dance? That does look like a very sad dance. Well, that looks like an angry dance.
Yeah. Like someone wings are lost.
Mm-hmm.